Hey guys, it's Sean here from Radiator Industries. Have we got a treat for you today? This beautiful 1957 Chevy Bel Air convertible. So before we take this vehicle out on the road, let me give you a bit of a walk around and a bit more information. She's running the 283 with the Power Glide transmission. She's got mint green interior, obviously electric convertible roof. The colour is surf green. She's also got the Continental pack, which supplies the slats and the spare wheel hanging off the end of the trunk. So this vehicle is absolutely immaculate. When people say concourse, this is this vehicle. Every panel is completely straight, Bondo free. The gaps are absolutely perfect. We're going to go take this for a drive very shortly so we can let you see how it performs down the road. This thing, I have driven this thing before we filmed it and it drives superb, so you guys are in for a treat.